alone. Put it back. Put it back. Nick. Put it back. Put it back in there. No, put it back. We already cleaned up. Put it with the broom. Put it with the broom. Put it in there. Thank you. Thank you now. Welcome. You coming back? Huh? You coming back? Nick! Alright. Alright.